Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fine.
I'm also fine. So today we are going to play a role play game in which the topic is property dealer and the customer. And here Ritik sir is going to play the role of the property dealer, and Anita ma'am is going to play the role of the customer. So let's start.
Hey, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, actually I'm searching for the property some in the Saket. So do you have any kinds of property for that?
So here you are right place. So here you can see the board, the Ritik property dealer. So at that time, welcome, ma'am. So I'm also the one of the good property dealer. So may I know what kind of property would you like to
Yeah,
see?
definitely. I'm searching for the two, one for the bungalow and one for the floor. Okay, first floor only for my maid. Okay, so it is there, would be there or not. Apart from that, I want to tell you the one thing of my coverage of amount. So it's around the 50 crore amount. It would be okay. So in that location in the Saket, in the metro, means metro, nearby the metro, I just wanted to take.
Okay, so ma'am, there are 5 properties are there in my my eyes. So at that time, I just want to tell you one thing. There is no one first floor, right? So I will tell you there is a several the properties are there by which you can see a good in a third floor or a fourth floor. If you are only want only first floor, so there is not in a Saket, but in a Malvinagar there is available.
Okay,
so
what about the price of that and about the condition, furnace, full furnace, and which kinds of things you are dealing with that?
Okay, so if you have time, so you can come with me. So I'll at that time I'll show you the what kind of furnitures are there.
Yeah,
even the
definitely.
destination.
Yeah, definitely I will go with that. But tell me firstly the price of that, so I will be comfortable or not. And the location is okay. Malviya Nagar is good place. I will be okay with that.
Okay, so ma'am, the first thing is that about the location which I already mentioned about Malvinagar. Even the house casts are also there. Means there are 2 properties.
Yes,
Apart from it, about the furniture, so we will provide each and everything in furnitures. And the second thing is that as per your the opinion about that would be the first floor. Apart from it, it's a good thing which is the facilities. If I talk
Yes.
about the the guard facilities, even there is a parking facilities.
Okay, let me first clear the bungalow about the bungalow. I just first purchase the bungalow, then after I good to go for the first floor and second floor. Whatever the things will be there, I will manage with that. So firstly, tell me about the bungalow.
Okay, so bungalow, so ma'am, there you have to increase your little bit price because it's not under the 50 crore. It would be
Okay.
the 55 crore rupees. And if you want in a Malvinagar, and if you go in a house cast, so at that time it would be 65 crores.
Okay, so you have only 3 locations, Malviya Nagar, Haus Khas and Saket. What about the Saket? Exactly, I want to take in the Saket. So it is over
So
there or
ma'am,
not?
I just want to tell you one thing. Means Saket is a posh area. So at that time you are just wanting that bungalow in only 50 crores. So it's not possible. So at that time if you want in go in a Malvinagar house cast, so at that time I will manage.
Okay,
But
tell
if
me
you
the
want-
range. Okay, tell me the range, amount of the bungalows. Yes, tell me that.
Starting in Saket around 80 to 85 crores.
Okay.
If you want bungalow, good bungalow, even with good location where you can do each and every work by yourself. So at that time you have to spend a little bit, more than 80 crores.
Okay, tell me the any apartments are there. Apartment would be also good for me, and bungalow, yes, okay, it's a 80 crore, it is okay. But tell me the all the features, facilities, and the maids are there or not, parking area, good vibes are there, should be not means birds, and all the cheer upping things I want around my home. So that would
Okay,
be
so
over there.
first let me clear which you want. Means bungalow or apartment. Means both are very different and the location are also different. As per your opinion, you are saying that each and everything is available, so you can get in only bungalow, not in apartment, right? You have to manage little bit in apartment. But if you want bungalow, so at that time each and everything is there. Even your guard facility, the gardening, even the park are also there. Even the private park also there. Even I would say in a if you purchase a bungalow, so there are the several facilities in a bungalow.
Okay,
Like
I just like the most in the bungalow, that is the swimming pools and the gaming area, sports area, all the volleyball should be there, cricket would be there, all the things. Okay, I will good to go with the bungalow only. I don't want to purchase an apartment and any kinds of thing. Tell me all the things please, because it is very urgent to because I'm shifting my business is shifting in the Saket, so it is a little bit hurry for me. So tell me that only.
Okay, so if you want only facilities, so the first thing is that which you all want swimming pool, so it would be on the top floor. If you go in your top floor, so at that time time there is a one swimming pool which you, as per your opinion, you can bath it easily. Apart from it, yes, there is a cricket ground also there. Not only cricket ground, there is a basketball ground also. Even you can play the badminton as well. Apart from it, when you come in the entrance, there is a guard facility. Even as per the beside it, there is a the parking facility. Apart from it, there is a good garden are also there where you can do now what time people want the fresh air, so you can get it the fresh air.
Okay, tell me the furniture, all the furniture, and furniture apart from that, the windows, which I really like the windows, all the things I will be able to see, the scenario, the greenery, all the blooming things, the bird, and I would like to stay means with the dogs as well. So what about the facility for the dogs? Because for the dog I want the separate room and separate all the things for the dog, for my animal, and I have a cow also, so I want to area for the cow. That would be a very green, so it would be there or not?
Yes, of course, it's up to you what kind of pet you want to pet animal. So it's up to your account. If you want to pet a dog, even the cow, so it's okay. Apart from it, you have to be little bit managing your account as well, right? Means if you are purchasing bungalows, so at that time you want the windows and that kind of thing. All things are available. It would be the best property in the whole ever the society.
Okay, so in the Saket, which places means which location you have? So please let me show firstly. Then after I would be able to like and I will be able to decide. Okay, this would be good for me or not. So firstly, show me please. It would be very
so
good.
When you come in a Saket metro, so it's far from only 500 meter. That would be the D block in 186. That would be the number. Apart from it, it's nearby the Gurdwara. If you are the devotee kind of person, so you can go through it very easily.
सामने देखेंगे